Welcome to macOS Genius on the YouTube channel. We're going to go quickly into my Plex server. We're going to go through TV shows, see if TV shows will be able to convert with FileBot and rename it properly. So here's Beware the Batman 2013-2014. It says 720, but it says episode 26. We do know it is season 1, but I would like to see if it populates it in here as 1X 026 or however that may be called. So we're just going to go ahead and go to the main folder here that we have. You could do the specific folder season 1 or just the specific episodes and the subtitles in there, but let's go ahead and do it from the main there. Go to fetch data. You want to select on the TV database. There's also one here for anime, and then there's 2 more here, but this is the movie database. Normally it's here. I'm not sure why it's here, but let's just go and continue. TV database. And then it's basically telling me Beware the Batman 2014, season 1. Yes, that's correct. It's asking, are you sure it's this one, Beware the Batman? And then if you look at the image logo here on this side, you can see they're matching the same. Now, if you were not sure about it, sometimes on your Macs you may have the preview option disabled, so this will just show an icon like a movie icon, like it's an MP4, so it'll show like a QuickTime icon instead of just doing the icon of the show. So we're just going to select that because that's correct. We're going to hit select. Now, as you can see, now it's going to be 1X01, X02, 04, and this is kind of how I wanted it. So, just nice and clean and clear, rename, and there you go. So, that basically explains that FileBot can also do TV shows and seasons as well. So, if you guys do have additional shows with additional seasons, like here are 4 seasons. Let's see, that looks kind of good already. So we're not going to make any changes here. Those that look all great. Let's see if we can find another one with less seasons. Here's Baki the Grappler. Nope, that's already all done. So here I found another one here, and season 1 under FBI, they are all listed incorrectly, or actually the way it needs to be, but I would like to see if it pops up with FBI in the front. Then it shows the season, the episode, and then the episode name. So this is basically 2 seasons here. Let's see if we can do these 2 seasons and see if it matches up with the FileBot. So let's move that over here. Go fetch data, the TV database, give it a moment to look it up. There is the FBI, that TV show there. As you can see, this one does not do a preview of the icon as the previous one that we just did with the Batman. And the reason is because these are MKV files. MKV files on a Mac do not show the image preview. Only it shows for Apple format, which is the .mov or the M4V or the MP4. So let's go ahead and select this. There's all the changes, so it's going to be changed. It's going to put FBI in the front. Let's hit rename, validate, continue, and presto. Nice, clean organization of naming convention. All right, well, hopefully this guys help you out and using FileBot, and hopefully that works out for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them on down below to see what else I can test out for you and see what it can work for you before you decide to purchase this. Yes, the license is only $6 a year, but there are some people out there that don't even want to pay that. But anyways, thanks, and have a great day now.